Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the scaler ready and you start now. First, confirm the manual scaler is enabled and the target object is selected. Check the current scale value so you know the baseline. Once done, switch to manual mode and choose whether to scale uniformly or per axis. Make sure to keep an eye on numeric input fields. Typing an exact value is faster than dragging. This lets you control final size precisely and avoids accidental overshoot when you begin adjustments. Now you perform the detailed adjustments. Type precise numbers for scale or use small increments like 0, 0, 1, or 1% to nudge size gradually. This reduces error. If you only want one dimension changed, lock the other axes and then edit the active axis value. Once changed, preview in the viewport and rotate the camera to confirm proportions. If the tool supports it, enable snapping or constraint guides to maintain alignment while you refine the scale to the exact visual or numeric target. Finish by committing the scale and verifying outcomes. Check the final numeric values and apply the change, then run a quick functional test, render, export, or place the object in scene context to ensure it behaves as expected. If proportions look off, revert to the previous state and adjust with smaller increments. One key troubleshooting tip: if the object distorts, reset pivot/origin and repeat manual scaling with pivot centered. That usually fixes unexpected skewing or off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.